In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your PowerPoint document as read only, ensuring that your content stays protected and unaltered by others. This is particularly useful when you're sharing your presentation with colleagues or clients who only need to view the information without making any changes. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure the PowerPoint application is up and running before proceeding. Once you have PowerPoint open, the next step is to go to the specific presentation that you want to save as read only. Locate the presentation file and open it so that we can begin making the necessary adjustments. With your presentation open, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you will see various menu tabs. Here, you will click on the File tab, which is conveniently positioned at the far left corner of the menu bar. This will take you to a new interface with several different options to explore concerning your presentation. Under the File tab, you'll notice an option labeled Info. Go ahead and click on Info. This section provides various details about your file and offers tools to manage your presentation's privacy and permissions. Keep in mind that managing these settings can be crucial for maintaining the integrity and security of your content. In the Info section, look for the button titled Protect Presentation. Clicking on this will expand a drop-down menu with several options that can help secure your file. Among these options, you'll see Always Open Read Only. Select this option. By choosing Always Open Read Only, you're setting up your presentation so that whenever anyone tries to access it, it opens in a read-only format by default. This specifically means that while viewers can still see your content, they will not be able to edit or change it unless they choose to disable the read-only mode intentionally. It's a straightforward way to ensure others can only view the information in its original form, preventing accidental changes and helping keep your presentation intact. With this step, you've successfully set your PowerPoint to always open as read-only. Before we wrap up, here's a handy tip. It's always a good idea to double check that the document opens correctly as read-only, especially if you're going to be sharing it widely. Open the file again and ensure that it displays the read-only notification, showing that your settings have been applied correctly. And there you have it. You've now learned how to save a PowerPoint document as read-only. It's a simple yet effective step to maintain control over the content you share. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful guides like this one. Happy presenting,